Hello, lovely WordPress people. Recently, I have created an interesting GPT, which I mostly use for my video scripting purpose. So, while creating a video tutorial, I personally need an interesting. I need a ready to go video script for my video tutorials. So here I use the ChatGPT to create a comprehensive video narrator type video script. So from that point of view, I feel I should create a GPT. So I created a GPT which I named is voiceover script generator. So if you search, you might get this. uh, you are seeing this GPT here in the GPT. I have published in the GPT library. So currently, uh, if you use that feature, then GPT, then you will get this overview. If you select this any type of anything, I have a script, and if you have a product demo video creations or something like that, or anything, this is the conversion starter. So if you want to convert your blog post into a video script, so you can do that easily. Then there are so many ways you can do that. Here are some example. Here is one of my colleague. He just recently just shared a name the WP Hive is WordPress repository. Then I have give some pre-made instruction to make a better result, to give a better result. So based on that, the GPT asked this type of information, but he didn't give. He just give me a 2 minute playful tone of social media. So there is a he give based on its knowledge or its data is give a better output as per his explanations. And my result is here. I use the chat gpt there. I just prepare a documentation. This is the documentation. I just give I need a documentary style a script about this topic. Then I select it. Then they requested me these informations. So I provided just only the documentation content here, and there is a documentary still video script. I preferably like it, very much helpful for a live demo. If I go there, just like I have to select some feature here, like global batch feature. This is my product documentation. So I'm just copying the documentation here, and like from this part, and going back to my GPT. Just I need voiceover script from or anything. I need a documentary or anything. Can you convert this blog post? Then say if I select it, you don't need to do this. Just I just give it for testing purpose, to showing you the demonstration. So I just select it, then paste my video document. Sorry, my feature documentation, and just make a video script from here. Just give it name. How to use the happy items global batch features. There is a scene, there's a visual descriptions, and there is a network introducing the global batch feature of happy addons, your ultimate solution for creating standing customizable badges for any elementor visit. There is a sound instruction. Transition is smooth. They're giving you this type of information, and same to what would be done. These are the getting started, whatever needed. Mostly perfect. Let's drag the elementor, then navigate to the content tab. Have seen this information is very much informative, and they are giving a very stunning voiceover script for me. If you need this, if you just need this and put it on any or just read out everything of what I feel is it's quite good. The result is surprising. So I hope you all guys like it and use it and make it more helpful. Better GPT, and it's free to use. You don't have to pay. You can use it in a free version of ChatGPT. So that's it. I hope you will get a better and creating video script for your product demonstration, for your tutorial video, for your social media, or anything you want. That's it. You can customize the prompt and you can just use it as a chat GPT. So that's it. So share your opinion with me. Thank you. Tada. Bye bye.